Welcome to my channel. In the present video, I would like to talk about what are the things to know about study abroad. If you are traveling abroad for the first time, here are some things you should be prepared with. Your decision to pursue your higher education in a foreign country has been based on myriad factors such as how the country is the center of academic excellence, has state-of-the-art infrastructure, offers a flexible curriculum and research-based teaching methodology, etc. Your overseas education experience will, however, not be restricted to four walls of your classroom. It is going to be much more enriching than you think. There is an old saying, travel broadens the mind. And studying abroad is an excellent opportunity to explore fresh avenues and develop a new perspective. Nevertheless, traversing a new topography may leave you feeling outstandingly unsettled, but the moment you decide to rise above your preconceived notions, judgment and prejudices, you will gradually start feeling more at home. Accepting a new culture does not mean that you are rejecting yours. It simply means you have walked an extra mile to accommodate something new and exciting. For a safe, thrilling and motivating overseas experience, follow these 10 effective tips. Try to familiarize yourself with the host country. To be well versed with all aspects of your host country is the first thing you must set your hearts on. For instance, if you are going to the US, pick up a guidebook like Lonely Planet or Forbes Travel Guide to get some insight into the US history, culture, weather, and political setup. Talking to your seniors and relatives in the US will also aid you understanding. No matter how much homework you do, there will always be an element of surprise. Therefore, keep an open mind and assimilate whatever comes to your way. Equip yourself emotionally. A sudden feeling of being uprooted from the known will overwhelm you if you do not anticipate an unacquired surrounding coming your way. If you prepare yourself emotionally for new cultural adjustments, that transition will smoother and swifter. If you remain single-mindedly focused on the real purpose of moving to a new setting, you will be able to surmount feelings of helplessness and frustration and perhaps embrace an experience of a lifetime. Keep an open mind. While you may go through countless emotions ranging from enthusiasm to curiosity to frustration to denial once you land in the host country. Always strive to keep an accommodating mind as you prepare yourself for an impending international experience. Make a sincere attempt to connect with your seniors, batchmates, and professors. From studies tips to travel, they can give you first-hand information on how to feel at home in a foreign country. Travel light. Packing light is not only a smart move for hassle-free journey, it also helps you save some money. When it comes to packing your suitcase for an overseas trip, stick to bare essentials. It is advisable to check your airline luggage policies and retractions to cut down unnecessary expenses on luggage. Making a checklist of must-haves and packing in advance also will make your life much easier. Carry your drugs and prescriptions. Never forget to take your medicines that come as part of your prescription. Remember, there are medicines that may be banned in your host countries or readily available over the counter, so always declare your drug at the customs and port of entry to avoid any inconvenience later. Don't forget to carry your prescription along just in case you are asked to produce them. Also, don't forget to carry a first aid kit and pack in your regular drugs like Disprin and Crocin. Certificates of immunizations and vaccinations. A good number of universities in the US expect their students to have immunization against communicable diseases and vaccine for preventable diseases. It is therefore advisable to take vaccine shots for MMR, immunization against measles, mumps, and hepatitis, and the ones made mandatory by the university. Make photocopies of your important documents. At all times, remember to secure photocopies of all your important documents ranging from your tickets to your passport, your credit cards and ID proofs. It is a good idea to carry one set of photocopy documents with you in a separate bag and leave another set back home in safe location. You might also consider getting these documents scanned and sent to yourself as attachments in an email. Health and travel insurance. You want your overseas stay to be stress-free, and therefore it is highly recommended that you take health and travel insurance from a reliable insurance company after taking into consideration all aspects of insurance coverage and benefits. While applying for a health insurance, you must consider the network of hospitals covered under the policy, the deductibles, coverage of pre-existing ailments, teams of copay, customer services and flexibility of claim process. Keep essential documents ready. Prepare a travel file and include following documents in it: passport and non-immigration visa, I-20 or I-94 form, birth certificate, marriage certificate, medical documents, academic transcripts, college or university acceptance letter, emergency contact information of your home, university officials and Indian embassy, etc. etc. And the next important point is look for companionable roommate. And here you should know, staying with an incompatible roommate is an alien land in the last thing you would want to do. Leave no stone unturned to finalize on your roommate before you depart for your study abroad. Touch base with students from your city headed for the same college. Hunt for roommates on Craigslist.com or network with your seniors. Spare no efforts in zeroing in on a like-minded roommate. Remember to take into account factors like monetary constraints, lifestyle and responsibility distribution before signing on the dotted lines. Overseas education is a training ground for gaining awareness, developing expertise and acquiring skill sets towards becoming a dynamic and knowledgeable global citizen. This indeed is an investment for life and is sure to reap worthy rewards. I hope this video is very informative, and please follow these guidelines. And if you are going to get a visa, before that the seniors will follow you on the Facebook. Don't worry about accommodation. And if you like this video, please click like button and click on bell icon, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Wish you all the success. May God bless you.